1992 was a memorable day for me as I met Yogesh for the first time. It was also memorable because he has left an impression about his thoughts on life and success, which left an unparalleled imagination on me. His words quietly proved the words of S.H. Simmons, which says that if a young man tells his date that he's handsome, smart, and successful, that's advertising. If he tells his date that she is intelligent, looks lovely, and is a great conversationalist, that is marketing because he's telling the right things to the right person at the right time. And if anyone else tells the young woman that her date is smart, handsome, and successful, that is public relations. I learned about advertising from him when he shared about his thoughts on success and struggles of life. When he was leaving, he shared with me that he was mesmerized by my outspoken personality, and both of us are compatible. That was marketing. Both of us were bonded in a marital bliss, as my mother was convinced that he is the perfect match for her daughter, as one of his colleagues had appreciated him a lot. And that's public relations. Good morning, dear friends, Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. Toastmasters is a place where we learn how to deliver speeches, how to become better speaker, and also to improve our leadership qualities. The last time I had an opportunity to hone my leadership qualities, and I nominated myself for the post of VP membership, a post which is third in hierarchy, was a very pleasant and enriching experience for me. The main jobs of this particular post were to welcome guests, to make them comfortable, to share with them the membership details, and also to pursue them about their motives of attending a meeting and whether they will be joining or not joining the club. The first 3 months, we had physical meetings. Myself and President T.M. Siddharth made the guests comfortable over a small cup of coffee, had a small chit chat with them, and get to know about the motives for joining the club. Later, the next 3 months, as nationwide lockdown was imposed, we had online meetings. These were challenging initially, but slowly and steadily, we learned to deliver speeches and participate in table topics. In these meetings, we learned how to gather the attention of various guests to participate in our club meetings. Publicity is a great effort which is made with the combined efforts of all the Toastmasters in the group. But definitely, it is not possible without the help and support provided by our VPPR, TM Abhijit. He used to make nice, creative, and elegant posters for the upcoming meet, which were put on the Facebook page, which attracted the earned media. He also used to update the comments put forward by the various people on that particular post and used to revert back to me or vice versa. We also had traditional marketing, in which our president, T.M. Siddharth, made an appeal to the guests, to the members, to fetch one guest in every meeting. And of course, they could be surprised by attractive rewards one day. Dear friends, how lovely it is to receive an invite from an organization of which we were part of. Yes, we used to send invite to revive our old members on special occasions. And that was part of courtesy campaigns. And not the least, we also invited Giant Media on special meetings for the coverage, like Nelcon meet we had in the month of January, Publicity is like a purifier, which sets into action the forces of public opinion. And these forces of public opinion controls the courses of any organization. Therefore, in order to catch the members and to turn them into prospective tourist members, catchy messages were being put forward, were being aired by VP Education TM Richika for special meetings being conducted. The highlights of the achievements of our members were being depicted in attractive posters by TM Abhijit, and they were posted on Facebook and Instagram pages. Public and relations are two related words which leave an unparalleled impact on us. It could make any particular organization rambunctious too. Reputation matters a lot because it takes years to build a reputation and it takes seconds to catch it off. Sending a simple message, like one day I sent a message to one of the prospective tourist member, Karan, hi, and he replied back, yes, we'll deposit the money by evening. Gives you wonderful results. Keep in mind, public and relations are two interrelated words, which are like a pinch of salt and pepper in our charismatic campaigns that we made for our club to grow it up. Please reflect on a thought. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some hire public relation officer. Thank you. Over to you, TM.